They changed the box around. Normally I hold up the box and it says NewBeauty Testtube. It's just a blank box. Hi, my name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the NewBeauty Spring box, as well as giving away one of these items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. Can't wait. You jump in. NewBeauty is, think skincare. It's mainly skincare. There's sometimes a couple hair care products, maybe a makeup product, but it's more heavy on the skincare type subscription box. And it does come out quarterly. I found some gems. In this box before, so I cannot wait to find out what's in here. Did a spoiler on it a couple weeks ago. Don't even remember what most of the items were, so can't wait to dive in. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Ace Beauty Violet Sage palette. Kind of looks like this. Super, super cute on the inside. Perfect for spring. So look in the description box down below under current giveaways. There is one for this one. There is also a FabFitFun giveaway, and then in there we're also giving away one of the items in today's video away to you guys. And I have 3 more still to come this month. So make sure that you're on the lookout for those. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. So what is on my eyes today? It is the Juvia's Place Garden of Juvia's palette. Another one that's perfect for the spring. These gorgeous pastel shades. I have this one as a transition shade, this one as a crease, this one as an outer corner, and this shade here for the inner corner. So they used to give kind of a breakdown of everything, like on a pamphlet. They're no longer doing that, which I'm fine with, because you can still get their information off their website. Guys, I've heard amazing things about this. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm X Temporary Eye Tightener. It does retail for $38. So it is a TikTok sensation. Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm X Temporary Eye Tightener is a quick eye treatment that helps to instantly tighten, firm, and smooth the look of under eye bags, fine lines, and wrinkles for a temporary effect. Remember, it's only temporary, but I want you to kind of see the pictures here on that girl. Oh, and here is what the packaging looks like. Can't wait for that one. So these are kind of cool, guys. So this is the Dew Skin Tattoo Forever eye mask. So the only eye mask you'll ever need. This reusable silicone eye mask helps you get more out of your product by holding gels, serums, and creams close to the skin for maximum absorption and encouraging products to fully sink in, leaving the skin prepped and hydrated. So it's basically a little reusable eye mask. And it's just a silicone one. So you put your cream on and then put the eye mask on, and it just helps everything kind of stay in so it doesn't like evaporate. You don't have to worry about any of that going on. So I think that's kind of cool. Kind of the same philosophy behind if you have like a face mask. Like they're the ones that don't require a mask you physically put on your face, but you get more hydration when you do, instead of just putting a serum on or anything. You get more hydration with the ones that have a mask with them. Heavy on the eye products this time. This is the Neo Strata Enlightening Brightening Eye Cream. Guys, this retails for $62. So with 97% of participating Participants in a clinical study reporting visibly diminished dark circles after 12 weeks of twice daily use. This eye cream is a powerful brightening formula that also firms the look of tired eyes for a smooth, radiant appearance. Eyes are gonna be looking good. So here's what she kind of looks like. From Grande Cosmetics is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil, and this does retail for $25. I really like this mascara. So it is infused with castor oil. Grande Drama promotes the appearance of lush, dense lashes for your healthiest, most luxurious looking lashes yet. It just makes them really thick and really bold. I love it. And here's kind of the wand. I don't want to open it just yet. I have a bunch of mascaras already open. And if you guys don't know, mascaras expire in 3 months as soon as you open them. So you don't want to have a bunch of mascaras open because you'll never get through them. I love me some Defiance Hair Care. This is the Love Smoothing Instant Mask. Does retail for $38. And in just 30 seconds, the fast-acting, intense anti-frizz mask reduces undesired volume, which I kind of like the volume, I just don't like the frizz. Tame strands and makes styling easier, resulting in a smooth and controlled finish. I don't know how it would work with my curly hair because I very rarely straighten it. So I don't know on that one. From the NewCo is the pill. What does that even mean? It means it retails for $85. So this is a topical supplement created to be the skincare layering packed in a bottle. The pill is formulated with just the right amount of active ingredients your skin needs in a lightweight serum texture to help smooth and tighten the skin in just 3 minutes while boosting collagen and skin elasticity over time. And kind of looks like that. From NewBeauty is a Travel Pinnacle Foundation Brush. Does retail for $18. It's not your average travel brush. The Rockstar travel size version of the NewBeauty best-selling triangular domed foundation brush is your must-have companion for touching up and maintaining flawless foundation all day long. Has a little bit of a dome to it, and obviously is that triangular. So super cute, great for traveling. From BeautyAmaB Cosmetics is the Be Cheeky Blush. It does retail for $25 and is in the shade Be Audacious. And it's a Be Cheeky Blush Matte weightless oil control formula, allows you to flawlessly create the look you want from the most subdued of rouges to the boldest of blushes. I do kind of like a little bit of shimmer in my blush though, to be honest. Packaging kind of looks like that. And it's more on the copper tone, and I don't really go for that shade very much, but it's really pretty. From Euphoria's the International Elixir One does retail for $50. And a next generation treatment that combines the benefits of a luxurious hair oil and powerful leave-in conditioner. Elixir One syncs with your hair and creates unprecedented movement and incredible shine. The powerful hair perfecting potion penetrates the hair with patented technologies to ensure that you protect your strands. I wonder how it would work, because like on my hair, so I'll put the either leave-in conditioner, primer, or whatever first, and then I'll put a cream, and then I put the oil on top. But this is mixing the first and the last steps together, and then I wonder if you put the cream on top of it, if that would cancel out the benefits and the shine of the oil. Just my thought. And kind of looks like that. Secret word of the day is lucky. It's March. St. Patty's Day is coming up. Secret word of the day is lucky. So the last item in here is from Daily Concepts. It's the Daily Leaves of Life Facial Scrubber. It does retail for $10, and it's made to cleanse in and around the curves of your uniquely beautiful face. The silicone bristles is one-of-a-kind facial scrubber, grabs onto dirt and oil, removes makeup, sunscreen, and provides an overall fresh, clean feel on your face. It is kind of shaped like a leaf, kind of cool, give you really good control. Has stuff here so you can put your hands in, really get in there and work. There is a hook, so if you wanted to hang this in your bathroom or even your shower with a suction cup, so you would just put that on and then hook your thing right onto it. Cute. So what did you guys think? What was your favorite item in here? I mean, you saw it. I totally geeked out over that Peter Thomas Roth instant eye cream. You guys, I've seen such amazing, good, amazing, wow, blow me away results with it. Now it is, remember, it's only a temporary treatment, but I wonder how long the temporary treatment lasts. Are we talking 15 minutes or are we talking a couple hours? If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. If you've tried it before, let me know in the comments down below as well. So let's give away that Daily Concept silicone scrubber. I just have another facial device that I use to clean my face with, so there's no sense in me just having one that never gets used. I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure to also put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries and you only fill out the form once, but there's 4 different ways that you can get bonus entries. All you have to do is mark on the form. If you did do them, you can do some, none, all, whatever. But if you do mark that you did do them, make sure that you did do them, because I do check. You don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, is that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, that's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share the video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your guys' help, with sharing it with your family and friends and socials, and I just want to reward you guys for doing that, because like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel here, and I've got to get those watch time minutes up, and I can only do it with your guys' help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through Saturday, April 1st, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on April 5th, what I will do is, from all the giveaways that are ending that month, we'll announce all the winners on that day to you guys. So what I do is, from all the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, and on the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, take the first name, first initial of the last name, put that into the computer. Computer spins the names around. We all see it. The computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete as soon as I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't sell that information. I don't create distributions off it. Nobody else has access to it but me. And like I said, your privacy is very, very important to me. I just do the forms because it's easier to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you guys do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!